We'll guide you through how to understand ClickUp and make the most of its features. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open ClickUp on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see the ClickUp dashboard, which is the central hub for all your tasks and projects. To start, you need to understand the hierarchy: spaces, folders, lists, and tasks. Spaces are like departments or high-level categories. To create a new space, click on the plus icon next to spaces in the sidebar, name your space, and customize the color and icon if you like. Inside each space, you can create folders to organize your projects, or you can create lists directly if you prefer a simpler structure. Click on the space where you want to add a folder, then click the plus icon next to folders. Give it a name, and you're good to go. Within folders, you can create lists by clicking the plus icon next to lists, which is where you can start adding your tasks. You can also customize lists by adding statuses, such as to do, in progress, or done, to track the progress of your tasks. To add a task, go into a list and click the plus icon. Enter the task name, assign it to a team member, and set a due date. You can also add details, like descriptions, subtasks, and attachments, if needed. Use the Views feature to see your tasks in different formats like List View, Board View, or Calendar View, depending on your preference. Try using the Docs feature to create documents directly within ClickUp, which can be linked to tasks or shared with your team. Finally, make use of the automation features to streamline repetitive tasks and improve efficiency. By setting up rules, ClickUp can automatically move tasks, change priorities, or send notifications based on certain triggers. This can save a lot of time and keep your workflow smooth. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.